Hey Arnav, did you hear about the virtual classrooms that the school has come up with? I mean, it's really cool, right? It's so convenient. I can just sit at home and attend the classes, and it's really convenient. It is a good saving of my time, especially when my exams are close, and even during the time when I'm out of station, especially in times such as these, when Corona is out there to get us.
But then, well, we have to keep a few things in mind because things are easier said than done. First of all, we have to focus and we don't have to deviate from what the teacher's teaching. And we also have to make sure that we don't shy away from asking questions and we clarify any doubts that we have in the class. Well, now that we know how to behave, let's actually try joining a webinar and attending a classroom.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, well, so the process of joining this webinar is pretty straightforward. You get a mail and in that you have an attached link. So you just have to click on the link and it takes you to the platform's website. From there you have to click and it takes you to the software where you can put in your credentials and then it allows you to join. So once you are in the webinar, you can see what the presenter is presenting, such as their screen or any presentation that they're sharing. And it also has certain interesting features, such as it allows you to raise your hand, which basically means that it notifies the presenter and the presenter can then take your doubts. It's not recommended so that the teacher knows who's actually asking the question and she can answer it way better like that. And apart from that, you can raise your hand and it notifies the presenter and they can stop presenting and look at the question, something like that. Apart from that, you can adjust the audio settings and you can adjust it to output it through your headphones or speaker or anything you want to. Now that the virtual classroom has come to an end, you get the option to leave the meeting. So you just click on it and there you are.
Oh, nice. I told you it's so cool.
Yeah, it is.